Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a linear equation in standard form to slope-intercept form, which means that we need to get it so it looks like y equals mx plus b, where we have a slope for m and a y-intercept for b. So if we look at this example, we can see we have 4x over here, and we definitely don't want that. And there's a 3 in front of our y. Notice there's no coefficient in front of this y, so we need to move these things. The first thing we're going to do is subtract 4x from each side. Before we do any dividing or anything, we're going to subtract 4x. Whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other. The reason we're subtracting 4x is because 4x minus 4x will make 0x. Anything times 0 is 0. So that's going to work out nicely. We'll be left with 3y equals 16 minus 4x. The next thing we need to do is divide out our coefficient. We're going to divide by 3 because 3 divided by 3 will make 1. Notice that is the invisible coefficient in front of this y. So when we do that, we are left with y equals 16 over 3 minus 4 over 3x. Now this is in slope-intercept form. It has the x as the second part and the b as the first part, but this still works. You could also write it as y equals negative 4/3 x plus 16 over 3. Let's do another example. We have 18x minus 13y. Lost my drawing there for a minute. So the first thing we're going to do is subtract off that 18x. I wanted a different color. Let's try that again. 18x minus 18x makes 0. And we are left with negative 13y equals negative 1 minus 18x. 18x. And the last part is dividing out our coefficient. Now, when we divide by a negative number, we need to watch our signs. So, negative 13 over negative 13 makes 1y. Negative 1 over negative 13 is going to be positive 1 over 13. And negative 18 over negative 13, a negative divided by negative, makes a positive. And there you have it. That's how you convert your standard form equations to slope-intercept form.